Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic nutrition and health, that is minerals, from health education and community pharmacy. So the topics to be covered from this session are as follows: introduction to nutrition, minerals, then classification of minerals, food sources and functions of minerals, diseases induced due to deficiency and toxicity of minerals. Let's see in detail about nutrition. Nutrition may be defined as the science of food and its relationship to the health. It is concerned primarily with the part played by nutrients in body growth, development and maintenance. The word nutrient or the food factor is used for specific dietary constituents such as proteins, vitamins and minerals. The dietetics is the practical application of the principles of nutrition. It includes the planning of meals for the well and the sick. The good nutrition means maintaining a nutritional status that enables us to grow well and enjoy good health. Minerals: about 50 chemical elements are found in human body. They are required for growth, repair and regulation of body function. They are divided into three major groups. Major elements, that is calcium, phosphorus, sodium, potassium, etc. Trace elements, for an example iron, iodine, fluorine, zinc, etc. Trace elements, for an example lead, mercury, aluminium, etc. Classification of minerals: major minerals required in amounts greater than 100 mg per day, sometimes called macro minerals. Trace minerals that are required in the diet in amounts lesser than 100 mg per day, sometimes called micro minerals. Minerals: inorganic element needed by the body for the following functions: build tissues, regulate body fluids, assist in body functions, help form body structures, remains as ash when food is burned. Iron: electrically charged atoms resulting from chemical reactions. Anions are negatively charged while cations are positively charged. Mineral salts dissolve in water, then they break into separate ions that are called as electrolytes. Major minerals: name of the mineral is calcium. Food source for it is milk, cheese, sardines, salmon, some dark green leafy vegetables. Functions: development of bones and teeth, then transmission of nerve impulses, blood clotting, normal heart action and normal muscle activity. Deficiency and toxicity for it are osteoporosis, osteomalacia, rickets, tetany, retarded growth, poor tooth and bone formation. Osteoporosis means porous bones characterized by the low bone density or mass, reduced amount of bone tissue and fragile bones. See the figure. Rickets: softening of bones in children, potentially leading to the fractures and deformity. And osteomalacia means the bones lose calcium and become softer and may deform. See the pictures. Tetany means involuntary contraction of muscles. See in this picture. Then phosphorus: food sources are milk, cheese, lean meat, poultry, fish, whole grain cereals, legumes, nuts. Functions: in development of bones and teeth, it maintains the normal pH of the blood, constituents of all the body cells, CHO, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and fat metabolism. Deficiency: toxicity, poor tooth and bone formation, weakness, anorexia, general malaise. Then potassium: food sources for it are oranges, bananas, dry fruits, vegetables, legumes, milk, cereals, meat. Functions of it are contraction of muscles, maintenance of fluid balance, transmission of nerve impulses, regular heart rhythm, cell metabolism. Deficiency and toxicity are deficiency that are hypokalemia, muscle weakness, confusion, abnormal heartbeat, and toxicity are hyperkalemia, potentially life-threatening irregular heartbeats. The next, sodium. Food sources are table salt, beef, eggs, poultry, milk, cheese, soya sauce. moderate amounts in breads and vegetables, large amounts in processed foods. Then functions are maintenance of fluid balance, transmission of nerve impulses, acid-base balance, muscle contraction, deficiency and toxicity, deficiency, nausea, exhaustion, muscle cramps, toxicity are hypertension, edema. Edema, see the pictures. Chloride, the food sources are table salt, eggs, seafood, milk. Functions, gastric acidity, regulates the acid-base balance in the body, maintains the fluid and electrolyte balance. Formation of hydrochloric acid, deficiency, toxicity, imbalance in gastric activity, imbalance in blood pH, nausea, exhaustion. The next one, magnesium. Food source for it is green leafy vegetables, whole grains, avocados, nuts, milk, legumes, bananas, nuts, seafood, chocolate, cocoa. Functions are nerve transmission, synthesis of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, activation of metabolic enzymes, muscle activity, constituent of bone, muscles and RBCs, red blood cells. Deficiency and toxicity for it is normally unknown, mental, emotional and muscle disorders. Then trace minerals in that first one, that is iron. Food sources for it are muscle, meat, poultry, shellfish, liver, legumes, dried fruits, whole grain or enriches breads and cereals, dark green and leafy vegetables, molasses. Functions are transports oxygen and carbon dioxide CO2. Hemoglobin formation, component of cellular enzymes essential for energy production. Deficiency and toxicity are deficiencies, iron deficiency, that is anemia. Normal amount of red cells, anemia, amount of red blood cells, that is in anemia. From this picture it is clear that is normal. In case of normal human being, the red blood cells are in huge amount, while in case of anemic person the red blood cells count will get decreased. Symptoms are weakness, fatigue, dizziness, loss of weight, pallor, coldness of hands and feet. Then iodine, food source, iodinized salt, seafood. Functions, regulation of basal metabolic rate, deficiency or toxicity, goiter, cretinism, myxedema. See the criticism, in critinism, this, the figure is, or the person should be looking like this. In myxedema, then third one, this is goiter. See at the throat. Then next one, zinc. Food sources are seafood, especially oysters, liver, eggs, milk, wheat bran, legumes. Functions are formation of collagen, wound healing, taste acuity, essential for growth and immune reactions. Deficiency, toxicity are dwarfism, anemia, loss of appetite, skin changes, then impaired wound healing, decreased taste and acuity. Then see the dwarfism, picture of dwarfism. Skin lesions, see this picture diagram for skin lesions. Then fluoride, food sources are fluorinated water, seafood. Functions, increases resistance to tooth decay, then component of bones and teeth. In case of deficiency, this tooth decay, possibly osteoporosis, and in toxicity, fluorosis, that is discoloration of teeth or mottling. See the fluorosis. What we learned from this topic, nutrition and health, minerals, the learning outcomes are introduction to nutrition, then minerals, then classification of minerals, food sources and functions of minerals, and diseases induced due to deficiency and toxicity of minerals. Thank you.